Hi, Don Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkLaTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkLaTexHomepage.com app. And looking at that weather pattern, we're still watching this disturbance here over the desert southwest. You can see a large area of rain over the western sections of Texas, southern Rockies. Most of this heavy rain going to stay to the north of the ArkLaTex, but the northern edge of the area could see a bit of an increase in that rainfall chance tonight. Today, we've seen nothing but sunshine over most of the ArkLaTex with a few clouds across the northern sections of the area, and earlier today, a few scattered showers as well. One thing that's going to bring about all of us a chance for some rain is this strong front, which is going to slide its way through the ArkLaTex here during the next 24 hours. We will see an increasing threat for rain from north to south very late tonight through the day tomorrow. Not looking at much as far as any thunder, not looking at much as far as any severe weather threat, obviously, as cooler air will take shape, as it looks like most of the rain in our area will fall behind the front in the cooler air. And we'll talk what we can expect here as far as temperatures. Actually, right now, let's give you a look at, first of all, low temperatures across the area as we go through the nighttime hours tonight. Mid to upper 50s, 54 in Texarkana, 58 in Shreveport, right around 58 degrees in Natchitoches. Daytime highs tomorrow will vary quite a bit, ranging from the low 60s across the north to the low 70s across the south. Now, your highs probably will not take place during the normal time of the day, in other words, mid-afternoon, this time of year. So let's give you a breakdown of tomorrow at a glance, as we will see the showers likely. It'll turn rather windy and cooler. Notice in Shreveport, the high probably late morning, early afternoon, and then by 5 p.m. temperatures will settle into the lower 60s, the way it looks right now. Obviously, if the front moves through a bit sooner, we could get a bit cooler. So expect temperatures as you head home to be a little bit cooler than what you experience compared to what you experience at lunchtime. So as far as the rainfall, let's give you a look at, first of all, Robin's Soda FUTURECAST. And as we go through the nighttime hours tonight, mentioned that rain in West Texas. You can see some of that activity skirting the northwestern sections of the area during the evening and nighttime hours tonight. That's where it'll be ongoing tomorrow morning. This activity will gradually spread to the south during the day. Notice the heaviest rains along the I-30 corridor as we move into the early afternoon. That activity will slide its way to the south during the afternoon. Notice the blue arrows indicating a gusty northeasterly wind. That'll be around 15 miles per hour. Could see some gusts in excess of 20 tomorrow. And then as far as the rain, it should wrap up from north to south as we go through the nighttime hours tomorrow night. Friday, we will start with quite a bit in terms of clouds. Look for those clouds to gradually give way to some sunshine as we work our way through the afternoon. And the combination of leftover clouds and still a breezy north to northeasterly wind will result in well below normal temperatures for Friday and much cooler temperatures Friday compared to what we've experienced here during the course of the last couple of days. Looking at FUTURECAST through Friday night, looking mostly clear. Temperatures probably dipping into the low to middle 30s across the region. Saturday, we start the weekend with lots of sunshine, and then Sunday, expect basically a clear to partly cloudy sky Saturday night, and then Sunday we will see that mix of sunshine and clouds. Rainfall potential with this front coming in, as I mentioned, where we could see a little bit of a longer period of rain. It will be heaviest across the northern edge of the area. Places like Broken Bow, Idabel, DeQueen, Dirks could see that inch to an inch and a half. Further to the south, rainfall generally half an inch or less. The farther south you live, chances are the less rain you will probably receive here with this frontal system moving through. Here's a look at the weather pattern. You can see that upper level energy, which will enhance the rain across the north tonight. The front moves through tomorrow. Then we see the northwesterly flow, which will keep us dry. Another disturbance will give us another chance for some rain as we look ahead to Monday, and that front will move through a bit sooner. So Monday looking to be an interesting day with falling temperatures. Will probably begin somewhere in the 50s, perhaps even some spots in the 60s Monday morning. The temperatures Monday probably will fall into the 40s. And you see another one of those big old troughs moving into the eastern half of the country for the middle of the week. And that will result in some of the coldest temperatures of the season so far for next Wednesday morning, as you'll see in the 7-day forecast. Actually, right now, here's a look at that 7-day forecast for, first of all, Shreveport, 67 tomorrow. Probably that will take place late morning, early afternoon. We'll then see those temperatures fall during the afternoon. 53 for the high Friday, 34 Friday night. Then we warm up for the weekend by Sunday, back up close to 70 with a mix of sunshine and clouds. Monday, again, probably a morning daytime high in the upper 50s. Those temperatures will fall into the 40s Monday afternoon. And you can see a leftover shower possible Tuesday, but notice only 44 for the high next Tuesday. And then Tuesday night, as we clear out, we will dip into the mid to upper 20s. In Shreveport, right around 27 the way it looks right now. In Texarkana, low 60s tomorrow, low 50s Friday, upper 60s by Sunday. And then you too will dip into the 40s for highs for Tuesday and Wednesday. Coldest night will be Tuesday night with the low in Texarkana right around 25 degrees, at least the way it looks right now. Let's check back to this article this evening at about 8:30. I'll have the latest 16-day grain of salt long-range outlook, which does contain, for the most part, below normal temperatures across the ArkLaTex, and I'll let you know if any more rain is on the way. So all in all, for the next week, good chance of rain tomorrow, another good chance of rain Monday night, and then we turn rather chilly as we go through most of next week.